I just got the Toto K300 Washlet and I am so excited about this. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it and simply show you exactly how it comes. Let's do it. Here's how it looks when you open it up. There are not too many parts. This is pretty simple. I'm just gonna pull it out of the box. Now here's exactly how it came out of the box. I'll get into the accessories real quick here, but let's just check out the toilet seat itself. Now the reason I went with the K300 is that it's actually slightly smaller and more streamlined than some of the other Toto washlets. They often have a larger raised back because they have a water reservoir, and I went with this one because this one will constantly heat the water, which is huge as I have a family of 4 and no one wants to wait for a water reservoir to fill up to have warm water in your washlet. Let me open this up. It's super simple, really nice, big, large seat here. And this is where all the magic happens. This is where all the controls are, and the heating is all in this base unit right here. And then it's really quite simple to connect to your toilet. It only has 2 connections. This one you're gonna connect into the water that goes to the toilet, and it actually comes with the connection piece for that. So here's that water piece. That'll go in just like this, and then this will just connect to your existing toilet water connection. So that's really easy. And then the other piece is you just got to plug it in. It is a thick white cord and you have about 3 feet here. So think about that when you're thinking about where to plug this in. Now the next piece is this bracket. This is really important. This is how you're going to install the washlet to your existing toilet. And it has very clear instructions, but it's mostly just twist it on, get it tight, and then latch them together. There's nothing more frustrating than when a product doesn't come with the batteries, and I would have been extra frustrated if Toto had not provided batteries, so I'm really glad to see these. Now here's the remote. It's super sleek. One thing I really love about it is this wall connection right here. It comes with the screws and wall anchors to install it to your wall, and then this is actually a magnetic wall anchor, so when I try to slide this on, it just clips right into place. It knows exactly where to go. So it's very clean to hook it on. It's not gonna be falling off in the middle of the night as you grab your remote quickly. Let me show you close up what the remote options are. Now the remote comes with this wall explanation piece if you want to add that on. And that helps you know exactly what each button means. You have your rear, front, dryer, oscillate, pulsate. If you want to manually clean the wand, you just hit this button, but know that it automatically cleans the wand every time as well. And then you have control over pressure, and you can move positions. And you can create 2 unique settings if you want to. And on the back of the remote, you have even more options. You can control the toilet temperature, the water temperature, and the drying air temperature right here. These are energy savers. You have a timer energy saver, an auto energy saver, and the auto energy saver plus. And right here you can confirm whatever your setting is. Down here is another wand cleaning button, and this is your on-off button. And this is your on-off button for the remote if you just want to work like a regular toilet. I really can't get over everything this provides. It's a lot more than I can put in one video. On the back, it actually has a deodorizer right here to keep it smelling fresh. And its manual is very detailed. It goes into all of the things it does. It is an amazing washlet. I really cannot wait to install this. I learned the other day that a bidet is one of the most surprisingly life-changing things people can add to their home, and I'm hoping that it will be that for us as well. So if you're debating which one to get, again, the reasons I got this one is mostly because of the constant hot water. I didn't want the hot water reservoir to run out between family members, and because it actually has a lower profile than some of the others, mostly because of not having that water tank in the back. And I just wanted something that was as sleek as possible for a washlet. They're all larger. This is what it looks like. And I think that you will love it just as much as I know I will.